Explosive rainfall on August 14th unleashed flash floods in northern India, killing at least 60 people, injuring hundreds, and leaving dozens missing as rescue operations continue. A video shows a massive surge of water laden with mud and debris tearing through the settlement with relentless force, uprooting trees, ripping houses from their foundations, and sweeping away vehicles. The village struck by floods was crowded with people taking part in the Macha-il Mata Yatra, an annual Hindu pilgrimage. Authorities say search and rescue efforts are ongoing, with survivors rescued, others critically injured, and several bodies recovered and identified.